Happening right now, local nurses and healthcare providers on the picket line tonight demanding better pay and more staffing. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kamerman.
And I'm Kendall Bartley. This rally taking place at the PeaceHealth Sacred Heart Home Care Services office that is right near the already scrutinized PeaceHealth University District Hospital location, which is set to close next month. ONA
is Oregon's largest nursing organization and labor union. KVAL's Juliette Smith is out there right now speaking with some of the protesters about their demands. Juliette?
Well, Kendall and Brandel, as you said, I'm out here, and despite this cold weather, the nurses are out here, as you said, demanding higher wages and more staffing. Now, these are the very people that are coming in and out of our homes, caring for the people right here in our community. Now, they've been bargaining with PeaceHealth for about a year now and haven't come to any conclusion. They say about dozens of nurses have left and about a third are about to leave if these demands are not met. Now, this is just going to leave a bigger burden for the nurses that do decide to remain. I'm joined now by Joe, who is a turner here with PeaceHealth. How have you ever considered leaving PeaceHealth due to these low wages, as you say, and the low staffing?
Yes, I have. I'm going into retirement, so, but I may be retiring a lot sooner than I thought.
And how have these low wages and, as you say, understaffing, how have they personally affected you?
I don't think it's the low wages as much as it's the fact of the lack of respect. We made it through COVID. We did all those things for them. We had no recognition, which is fine because we're doing our job. We're doing it as well as we can. But then there was nothing afterwards. No respect. No, wow, good job. You know, you made it through. Let's.
A lot of people are coming by, they're beeping, they are showing support. The nurses will be out here until 7 p.m. this evening. Live in front of PeaceHealth, I'm Juliette Smith. I'll send it back to you in studio.
Now, PeaceHealth did release a statement. It reads in part, PeaceHealth does respect the rights of our caregivers to participate in these kinds of activities as part of ongoing union contract negotiations. We remain deeply committed to our caregivers, and we are proud of the high-quality, compassionate care and service they provide to patients and the community. Our patients and their families can continue to count on us to deliver that care without interruption. Now, we have previously reported that PeaceHealth is closing the University District Hospital, which is the only hospital in Eugene.
Now PeaceHealth is changing its urgent care services in part to support that closure. The company recently closed its location in West Eugene, relocating that office to the PeaceHealth University District location.
Looking at relocating into this more central location for some time, and then with the timing of everything at the University District Hospital, we felt like this was the right time to make that move.
Now, representatives stress that this is not a replacement for the University District Emergency Room, that it is set to close on Friday. They say this should act as a bridge between patients and primary care clinics. All staff members from their previous location are moving to the new location.
I think a really important distinction is that this is an urgent care and not an emergency department. So true emergencies really should continue to go to an emergency department.
Now, the new urgent care will be open 7 days a week, and they are now expanding their hours of operation from 8 a.m. until midnight. The emergency room that is set to close on Friday was open 24/7. For more information on whether to go to an urgent care or an emergency room, you can head to our website.
In fact, when we spoke with PeaceHealth Oregon's interim chief executive a month ago, he said that moving the urgent care to the University District's location was to help replace the services lost with the closure of the emergency department. Here's what he said last month when we asked how PeaceHealth will continue to serve the community that lives near the current UD location.
We may do it in a different way. It may look different. Alicia Beamer, who's our Chief Administrative Officer for the University District, is coordinating 40 different community organizations to service those individuals with their non-medical needs, which is a part of what University District did, the emergency department.
Among those organizations PeaceHealth says it's been working with is the University of Oregon, City of Eugene, and certain nonprofits that help the unhoused.
You can scan the QR code on your screen. That will take you directly to our YouTube page. There's that QR code. You can find all of our previous coverage regarding this subject. KVAL News has continued to follow the controversy surrounding the closure of PeaceHealth's University District Hospital. You can find full interviews with the chief executive of PeaceHealth Oregon, reaction from healthcare workers, as well as elected officials.